To make these bacalaitos, we are using two 12-ounce packets of cod fillets. The codfish is covered in salt, so we need to remove most of the salt. Rinse the bacalao under cold water to remove the excess salt. Get rid of that salty water and rinse once again. Dump that salty water and let's move on to the next step. Now set a skillet or a pot over medium heat, cover the fish in water and boil for about 20 minutes. The fish is extremely salty, so what we're doing, we're still getting rid of the salt. And after boiling the fish for 20 minutes, get rid of that water and boil once again. By double boiling, we make sure that we get rid of all that salt. Trust me, it is extremely salty. And once you have gotten rid of all that salt, transfer the fish into a large mixing bowl, followed by 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cubes of sofrito or 3 tablespoons of sofrito. My sofrito cubes are frozen, so I'm going to pop it in the microwave for about 45 seconds to defrost it. And if you don't know how to make sofrito, there is a link to my sofrito video in the description box down below. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Season the bacalaitos with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning, 1 packet of sazon, and about half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Then we're going to be adding about 1.5 cups of cold water. Do not add all the water at once, add a little bit at a time and mix. What we're looking for is for a pancake batter-like consistency. If the mixture is too dry, add a little bit more water, and if it's too wet, add a little bit more flour. Easy peasy. So this is the consistency that you're looking for. To make these bacalaitos, we are using 2 donut silicone molds. We're going to transfer the bacalaito batter into the molds. Now transfer the bacalaitos into the freezer for a few hours or until frozen solid. And once the bacalaitos are frozen, remove from the molds just like so. You may keep them frozen in the freezer and fry them whenever you want. Now set a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add enough vegetable oil to fry them in. Bring the temperature of the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now transfer the bacalaitos into the hot oil. Once they're in the oil, reduce the heat to medium-low. Fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes per side or until golden brown. Oh, and one more thing, get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. And once golden brown, remove from the oil and transfer to a plate lined with paper towels. And now you're wondering, can I air fry this instead of deep frying? Can I? The answer is yes, you can. Let me show you how. Set your air fryer to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the cooking time to 20 minutes and let the air fryer preheat. Once the air fryer basket has been preheated, spray non-stick cooking spray. Place your frozen bacalaitos into the preheated air fryer basket. Spray each bacalaito with cooking spray. Now air fry the bacalaitos at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, flipping the bacalaitos halfway through. And after 20 minutes of total cooking time, your air-fried bacalaitos will look like this. Now, if you don't have the donut molds, this is what you need to do. Heat up the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit as mentioned before. Scoop the batter into the hot oil. Reduce the heat to medium-low and fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until golden brown. And once golden brown, transfer to a plate lined with paper towels. Now serve them and enjoy them while they're still warm. This is the air-fried bacalaito. It is not as moist as the deep-fried one, but still good enough. Okay? There you guys have it, bacalaitos with a twist. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.